Okay, here's our video for the exhales. Now, this is where I really need you to work the pelvic floor, the TVA together with your breathing, okay? This is going to strengthen that transverse abdominal that acts like your natural corset and pulls it together. Pulls everything together, okay? So, what I want you to do is get in your correct alignment again. Use your fingers, use the pillow if you have to. And now, what I want you to do is just kind of take a breath and breathe out. Now, when you breathe out, it's like you learned in the other video. You want to, when you breathe out, you're going to lift the pelvic floor and engage the TVA. But don't hold your breath. That's so important. So, you're going to breathe in, lift, breathe out. Okay? This is the extended exhale. So let's see how long you can breathe out. So breathe in, lift pelvic floor, engage. All right. Now, if you have to make this sound, do that or visualize closing those book covers. Breathe in. I want you to feel it between your pubic bone and your belly button, okay? I want you to feel like you're getting an ab workout just from breathing. So let's try again. And remember, a cue that's good is to let your pelvic floor be the boss. So the pelvic floor comes up and then it engages your TVA automatically, and then you help it by engaging more and breathing out, okay? So here we go. All right, now let's do a piston exhale, a single piston exhale. So breathe in and real fast. Don't forget to lift that pelvic floor up. All right. So the next one is your double piston exhale. So just like we did a piston inhale, this is a piston exhale. So here you go. And remember, pelvic floor. Are you feeling it here? Now a triple one. You may feel a little lightheaded at first. It's kind of hard, getting all this breath work down. So here we go. So when you breathe in, remember, opening the pelvic floor muscles and then tighten everything. Pulse, pulse, pulse. Engage, engage. Okay, those are your breathing homework, okay? You're going to do that twice a day for 15 breaths or 3 times a day, 10 breaths each. Again, you'll have instructions in your PDF, and you can ask questions in the Facebook group if you have any at all, okay? I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.